This is a Logitech G29 unboxing. I got this steering wheel for Christmas as my old one was a bit broken. The pedals wouldn't connect to the steering wheel and I'd have to use R2 and L2 to actually race on the PlayStation. The steering wheel was a Hori Apex. It worked perfectly for about a year and a half, and then after that it kind of fell off and stopped doing its thing. Here's the pedals to the steering wheel. As you can see, you've got the clutch, the brake, and the accelerator. This is the steering wheel. It's got a fine leather finish and metal pads on the back for your gears. This is an add-on to the steering wheel. You can buy a Logitech gear shifter for your steering wheel so you can do your gear changes with an actual gear stick. This is the gear stick. It comes with 6 gears and a little plug-in bit that you just plug straight into the steering wheel. Now we're going to set the steering wheel up so it's ready to play. These are the screws to screw your steering wheel down to your desk to play the game, but they're quite hard to understand at first. What you have to do is you have to push them down and twist them while being down. That way you can get the bottoms to pop out, and then you just do the same bit in reverse to attach to your desk. Here on the steering wheel you can switch from PS4, PS5 and PC. Here there's a little holder for your wire management so it's not all messy and you can keep stuff tidy. There's also a little bit where you can stick your wires out of the steering wheel without it getting messy as well. This wire here plugs into the back of the PlayStation, giving power to the steering wheel. This pack here plugs into a socket on the wall, giving more power to the steering wheel and power to the shifter. Here's the steering wheel turning on for the first time. It does a full spin so it knows where the steering wheel's at and it can register itself. To tell the PlayStation that the steering wheel is on, look, it doesn't work at the moment. You need to push this button here, which is the PlayStation button, then X, and that will connect the steering wheel. You can go through and use the steering wheel to play the game. This is the circuit I'm going for. It's called Dragon Tail, and I'm going to race a car on that, so let's go through. The car I'm going to pick today is the M6 GT. So here's the steering wheel playing. It is quite hard, it's got the force feedback. It's a tough steering wheel to get used to, but once you're used to it, it's quite easy to understand. There's the pedals. If you let go of the steering wheel and keep your foot on the accelerator, the steering wheel will start to wobble like this. But you just gotta hold on to it and make sure it doesn't do that. That's how you do it. It's quite tough, but still. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description for the steering wheel if you want to buy one.